Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be looking at the Easy Red 48-piece flexible bit holder. And I've had a few different bit organizers and holders over the years, and I just found this one on Amazon not too long ago. I actually bought it, I believe, on an Amazon big Prime deal or whatever. It was a couple-day event. So I got a really good deal on it. And this is from Easy Red, and they actually have quite a bit of organizers. I don't know if these are all new organizers or if I'm just now coming across them. I'm not 100% sure. But they definitely got some really cool organizers. This one was definitely the biggest discounted one. So I figured I'd give this one a shot, and then I may kind of expand into some of their other ones. So we will take a look at this. We'll go over its features and everything. I think it's a pretty cool design. So whether you're going to use this in a stationary toolbox or in a tool cart, or even if you have a mobile vehicle, I think this is going to be great for a lot of different scenarios. So one of the most popular ones that I've been using for the last few years is the Ernst Bit Boss. I'm a big fan of Ernst organizers, made in the USA, really good designs. I use their Socket Boss, their Bit Boss. I mean, they have a ton of great organizers, and this is just one variation of their Bit Boss. I have a 2-row tray of this as well, and then I have miniature ones, and these ones actually have magnets built into the bottom of them, so you slap them inside of a drawer, on top of a toolbox, tool cart lid, in a vehicle. If you got a work van, you can slap it to the sidewall. Works really well. They have vertical and horizontal holders, just depending on the style of bits and the drawer that you may have it in. This keeps it a nice low profile, and you can remove them and adjust them, whatever, great little organizers, and I've been using them for years. But I came across this and thought this was a really cool design. I started using the Bit Boss when I started to realize I had a bunch of like these bit sets from DeWalt, Milwaukee. I realized these bifold organizers take up quite a bit of space. This one's a little bit more custom than a lot of the other ones I have, since it has sockets and a ratchet, but I do have a full review on this set as well. So if you guys haven't checked that out, go ahead and do so. But those take up a lot of space, and I work out of my truck on a weekly basis. I do a lot of mobile work, and I don't like to have a bunch of those, and I don't like to have a bunch of bits that I don't use. So I try to narrow it down to things that I know I'm going to use, and I thought this was a really good option for that scenario. It does have tons of magnets, strips of magnets in it, and not only is that magnet going to hold the bits in place, but it also uses magnetism to stick it to a toolbox or any metal surface. But it is made of a flexible polymer, so you can see the rows here. It does flex this direction. I don't know what scenario you would need it to do this, but it's flexible. So yeah, you got that. But 48 bits, lays flat, or you can fold it for carrying. I threw some longer bits in here just so you guys could see that it does hold them, but typically I'd probably just keep the shorter bits in here, and it holds them really well. I don't have an issue with bits falling out or anything like that, and pretty good retention. Now, as far as fitment inside the hole, you can see there is space around the bit, so it's not like it's using the rubber holes to like friction fit in there. It's just using them to keep them in place while the magnet actually holds them. So it's not like super tight in there. But the magnets seem to hold it just fine. That was one of my biggest worries when I tried a longer bit, but haven't had any issues. You also see 4 holes here. That's going to allow you to mount it somewhere if you want. Maybe you want to mount it on a workbench, on the wall in front of your workbench. However you want to do it. Honestly, I don't know if that's a feature I would use, but it's a feature. There you can see it says Easy Red on there, and it says it on both sides. As far as packaging, not a whole lot of information on here. 48-piece magnetic flexible bit holder, flexible magnetic compact, non-marring polymer, magnetic base, mounting holes, and it does share the dimensions. And Easy Red is a US-based company, but this is made in China, just so you are aware. But honestly, I don't think there's anything that I'm worried about durability or longevity of it. I think it's going to do just fine. Now, one thing I did notice with, magnetic nut driver, or just nut setters in general, if you go this direction with them, then you kind of run into this issue. But I find if I go this direction, there's just the right amount of spacing. So honestly, I might keep a couple of these longer bits on here, just your standard Phillips and maybe a Torx. But honestly, most of the time it's going to be these shallow bits. I got some real short stubbies here, and then your standard length, and it holds them once again really, really well. And then I'll show you, kind of it on the toolbox and the strength of the magnets as far as its mounting side. But like I was saying, I did see that EasyRed has a ton of different organizers now. They have some for pliers, ratchets, sockets, and much more. So I'll have this linked down in the description for you guys, and then maybe I'll include some of the other organizers that I came across as well that I may be doing a review on here in the future. So let's go ahead and head over to the toolbox just so you guys can see the strength of the magnet as well as it working through a drawer liner. So whether you want to throw this on a toolbox or a tool cart, the magnetism is really good. I like how the magnets are kind of inside the bottom, so it's not directly magnet on metal. I am very against sticking magnetic things to vehicles, so I don't suggest that, but toolboxes, tool carts, whatever, vehicle lifts, works really well, nice and grippy, strong magnets. And obviously over time you'll probably get metal shavings and rust particles and stuff on here, but it works really, really well, even on like bent sections of toolboxes. I mean, I don't know what kind of situation you're in when you're doing this, but it's very flexible and all of that. You could even mount it to a wall, or maybe you want some bits over on your workbench, whatever it may be. But even through drawer liners, cleared out some space here so we can test it. It does work through drawer liners. It's not lifting the organizer or anything like that. Works really smoothly. So there you can see it does work through drawer liners. Maybe if they're extra thick drawer liners, but it works pretty well through mine. And like I was showing you, it's flexible in both directions, but you can also kind of use it as a carrying kind of, I don't know what situation you would use this in, but that bifold there, I suppose you could cut it in half if you wanted two smaller organizers, but it is nice because it snaps together like this, and now you have a little dual-sided bit organizer. And I mean, they're pretty secure, so I mean, I'm not too worried about bits falling out or anything like that, but I just thought that was kind of a weird design, but it works better than I thought it was going to, and I like how flexible and well it works. So as far as pricing, this is typically around $20, but the deal that I got it on, it was $13, so I think that's a great price for this little organizer. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys want to see more videos on some of their other organizers, please let me know. I'll be happy to make a video for you guys. But that is the EasyRed 48-bit magnetic bit holder. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I'll have this link down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.